I remember the first time my dad told me real estate is the only investment that never sleeps. At the time, I didn't fully understand what he meant. But years later, after seeing people lose money to bad investments and others build lasting wealth through smart real estate investment decisions, it all made sense. My name is Maureen Ibe. I'm a real estate expert and investment advisor with over 4 years experience. I've helped a lot of individuals make the right real estate investment decision in Nigeria. In my years of experience, I have seen two types of investors. Those who make informed decisions and build lasting wealth, and the second one are those who fall for real estate scam and regret it later. My mission is to ensure that you belong to the first category. I specialize in breaking down complex real estate opportunity into simple, profitable, and risk-free investment choices. I don't just sell property. I guide you to make smart strategic investment decisions to help you grow your wealth. Whether you're a first-time investor, a busy professional looking to make passive income, or someone who has made mistakes in the past, I am here to help you navigate the Nigerian real estate market with confidence and clarity. Over the years, I've helped individuals make informed real estate decisions, avoiding costly mistakes and maximizing their returns. Now, through this YouTube channel, I'll be sharing insiders tips, market trends, and investment strategy to help you make the right real estate moves. If you're serious about building wealth through real estate and avoiding costly mistakes, then you should subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification. Let's take this ride together. Remember, real estate isn't just about buying property. It's about making the right choices to help you secure your financial future. So, let's make smart investments together. See you in my next video.